for it. Very nice morning. I think that's the first time I'm feeling the heat from the sun for real, coming out of winter as we come into heading towards the spring phase, which is great. We might finally be getting out of the freaking cold there. Yeah, bring some warmth to your bones, do you know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, now let's navigate this merge. There's a car there, there's a car there, there's no car there. Okay, the merge is on and the gurge is on and there's, oh yeah, and he's in there, oh yeah, he's in there. Oh good. Nice and smooth, no sudden movements. Nice and easy. You can do practically anything as long as you do it with relative speed and distance to those around you. That's my motto. I'm sticking to it. Relative speed and distance. What do I mean by relative distance? Like if you're going fast, you need more distance between cars. If you're going slow, you can be closer to cars. Basically, that's the theory that seems to work. So my GoPro screen cracked again. Don't know why it keeps cracking. I think it's because when I put it on the dash, because I have two GoPros, right? I have a Session and a Hero 5 Black, and when I use one, I'll be charging the other. So, and I normally put the other on my dash here, just in that there's a space there behind the dash. I usually leave it there, and when I leave it there, I think with bouncing around of the bike, I think it's cracked the screen more than once. I think it's the second time. And I'm like, what's the GoPro cracking the screen from light bouncing around on the dash for? It just it's supposed to be more sturdy than that. Glass shouldn't crack like that. I reckon they need to change that material on the front of the GoPro Hero 5 and Hero 6, I think. It's got a lens on it, and it cracks fairly easy. It should withstand a drop or something at least. But this is the second time it's cracked, and I think it's cracked from just light bouncing on the dash. So that's a bugger. So I ordered another one, and I'm just heading around to pick it up from UPS, which I think is United States Postal Service. UPS, yeah, pretty sure. United States Postal Service. Battling the morning traffic. Always relative speed, relative distance, no sudden movements. Play it nice and smooth, yeah. Nice and easy. Oh, there's a red light. Okay, we'll be backing off then. Just nice and easy. Easy filtering. There you go. Nice and slow. Now this van's sort of like half this way, the car's half that way. That's okay, we just wait for them to take off. We We find our opening and we take it. It's as simple as that. Patience is the virtue. You must have patience on the bike, otherwise you'll be left with a lot of time on your hands in the clouds without a body, wondering, well, gee, what do I do now? So, yeah, give yourself all the patience in the world, otherwise you'll be left with so much you won't know what to do with it. Okay. Now, navigating the roundabout. Watch the cars coming through, watch the cars that are sitting there, pay attention to who's coming around, who's not coming around, and time it. Don't come rushing into it, so you have to brake and then make some big adjustments. Just come into it. Pace your speed so that when you come into it you don't even need to brake, you can just roll through it, you know, just roll through it in sequence. It's like, okay, you're there, I'm here, and okay, 1, 2, 3, and I fit right in there. Oh, lovely, just like a cup of tea. 1, 2, 3, bang. Good control, yeah, and nice and slow, so it's predictable. And if something does happen, you can then hit the brakes or accelerate a bit to make an adjustment, so it's all very smooth. Okay, here I am for the pickup. I shall go inside and get my package. And hopefully it won't be cracking again, because that's a bloody cracker, isn't it? Okay, I'll let you go then. Bye.